Bean counters, questions and answers. Which of the following types of accounts is not included in an income statement? Assets, expense, revenue, cost of goods sold. The account accounts payable is an example of what type of account? Asset, liability, revenue, expense. Which of the following is not a type of expense? Building, rental, sales, utilities, professional fees. The initial record used to first enter business transactions into the accounting records is called General Ledger, Balance Sheet, Trial Balance Journals. The account cash is an example of what type of account? Expense, revenue, liability, asset. Which of the following types of accounts is not included in a balance sheet? Assets, owners, equity, liabilities, revenue. The owner's claim to the property assets of a business is reflected in the balance of what type of account? Revenue account, expense account, capital account, asset account. If expenses and cost exceed revenue for a period, the result is called none of the listed answers is correct. Loss for the period. Period. Difference profit for the period. An asset is all the good stuff property that a business owns. Owner's claims to the good stuff property that a business owns. Creditor's claims to the good stuff property that a business owns. None of the listed answers is correct. The accrual basis of accounting records a transaction when cash is received or spent. It actually occurs directed to by management. All of the listed answers are correct. Hope you guys got a bunch right.